Internal combustion engine that produce the spark to ignite the mixture of the fuel and air includes the battery, ignition coil, distributor, spark plugs, and associated switches and wiring is known as ignition system. That it should produce 30,000 volt spark across spark plugs, distributes high voltage spark to each spark plug in a correct sequence, times the spark so it occurs as piston is nearing TDC, and varies spark timing with load, speed and the other conditions. Basic ignition components are the battery, ignition switch, ignition coil, switching device, spark plug and ignition system wires. In a ignition system, the battery supplies power to the entire systems. The ignition switches turns engine on or off. Coils transforms volts. Switching devices triggers ignition coil. Spark plug and wires distribute spark. The ignition coil. This is also known as a transformer. There are two sets of winding. One is primary winding and another is secondary winding. And there is also an iron core which produce magnetic fields. This is generally constructions of ignition coil. Like there is a primary positive terminal and a primary negative terminals, primary winding, secondary winding and secondary terminals. There are generally three types of ignition systems, like battery ignition system, magneto ignition system and distributor-less ignition system. Battery ignition system, in which a battery ignition system has a 6 or 12 volt battery charged by an engine driven generator to supply electricity turn off the systems and off. From burning out. The secondary circuit converts magnetic inductions into high voltage electricity to jump across the spark plug gap, firing the mixture at the right time. And the function of the components are: the secondary coil is the part of the coil that creates the high voltage electricity, the rotor which spin around on the top of the distributor shaft and distribute the spark to the right spark plug, and the spark plugs that takes the electricity from the wires and give it an air gap in jump across the light, the mixtures This is general diagram of a battery ignition system in which there is a battery through which we connect the starting switch, and the starting switch is connected to the ignition coils. It also connected to the contact breaker, which further connects with the distributors, and the distributors have the as number of terminals as there are cylinder in the engines. Next is magneto ignition systems. The simplest form of spark ignitions is that using a magneto. An ignition magneto or high tension magneto is a magneto that provides current from the ignition system of a spark ignition engine such as petrol engine. The engine spins a magnet inside a coil, or in the earlier design a coil inside fixed magnet, and also operates a contact breaker, interrupting the current and causing the voltage to increase sufficiently to jump a small gap, and the spark plug are connected directly from the magneto output. This is the general construction of magneto ignition systems, in which there is a rotating magnet which is having a fixed armature and a primary winding which is connect to the contact breakers and the condensers, and the secondary winding which is directly connected to the distributor which having a rotor arm. So when the rotor arm is operated and connects to the different terminals like 1, 2, 3, 4, which are arranged in the sequence of the firing orders. When they connect, then there is a spark generated in the spark plug and the ignition is completed. General diagram. This is diagram of a distributor systems. This is diagram of general spark plugs. So these are the ignition systems using the magneto, the battery ignition system. Thank you.